ton of carbon to an acre of farmland, that acre can hold an extra 20,000 gallons of water. So we measure the amount of carbon in the soil and how much rain the soil can absorb. If it rains 2 inches an hour, can the soil soak it up? We call this effective rainfall.
Once you exceed the infiltration rate, then you have runoff.
You'll get how much rain in a year?
Historically, it's generally 50 inches.
So with all that rain, did you see erosion here?
No, we don't have erosion. You can see it's not running off.
Right.
It can't. And I will promise you, you got at least a minimum 15-degree difference soil temperature between here and a pasture that has no shade and cover.
Right.
If you got 115-degree temperature in that soil, you're killing all your microbes, so your soil life dies.
Soil microbes are the key in making carbon and nitrogen available for plants. Microbes run the planet and enable every other living thing to get nutrition from food, fight diseases, and basically stay alive. They're made up of carbon, and all those microbes help form the spongy structure of healthy soil. Soil rich in carbon grows bigger, healthier plants, and it's like a sponge, soaking up water when it rains and holding on to water in droughts.